Hello everyone, in today's tutorial let's see how to use XPath in Playwright. So XPath stands for XML Path. It is W3C recommended technique used to navigate node in an XML document. In automation we use XPath to find elements on a web page. Like any other language, Playwright supports XPath selector and all its technique and functions. XPath selectors are equivalent to calling document.evaluate, where evaluate is a method of the document interface that selects elements based on XPath expression given in parameters. One thing to note, XPath does not PS shadow roots. Now here is the syntax. Use locator method and inside single or double quotes use XPath selector or expression. A selector starting with a double forward slash or double dots is assumed to be XPath selector. In that case there is no need to use XPath equal to. Playwright converts this double forward slash HTML forward slash body to XPath equal to double forward slash HTML forward slash body. However, in some cases, like when you use single forward slash or single dot, you will get an error if you will not use XPath equal to. So to practice, open programswedge.com and click on this search icon. This will open search text box with go button. So let's find out XPath selector of this search icon using Chrome browser. So here we have button and then I, which is child of button, with class this FAS space FA dash search. So we can use double forward slash button, then forward slash I @ attribute class equal to both classes. So this is one of one. Or you can also use contains method with a single class FA search and remove this FAS and replace this equal to with comma. So you can use any XPath selector technique, copy it, type await page.locator, then your XPath selector. Since it contains single quotes, so we can add our expression in double quotes or change the single quotes, the inner one, dot click. Let's execute it. So you can see with this XPath, search button is highlighted with red dot, and if you will click on step over, this will open text box along with go button. So you can add XPath equal to here, which is optional in this case. So this will also work. You can see with XPath equal to on search icon, red dot is showing, and after clicking, search text box is opening. Now if you will add forward slash HTML here, this will also work, but see, we are using single forward slash instead of double forward slash here, copy it and try to use it without XPath equal to, and use click. So we are not using XPath equal to and using single forward slash. In this case you can see we got the error unsupported token @class. Now use XPath equal to with single forward slash and see if this technique works. So you can see with XPath equal to and single forward slash, search icon is highlighted and we are able to click on it. So it is mandatory to use XPath equal to with single forward slash. So we can also use index in XPath by surrounding our expression with round brackets and using index in square bracket. So this is 1 of 1. So in this case you can see expression is starting with round bracket and forward slash, not with double forward slash. Let's see if it works without using XPath equal to. So we are getting unsupported token, but the moment you will remove this single forward slash HTML, you will not get any error. You can see our expression is starting with round bracket and double forward slash and it is working fine, highlighted with red dot. So there are so many techniques and around 200 plus functions in XPath which you can use and will definitely work with Playwright. Only difference is the syntax. Thank you for watching this video.